love chocolate chip cookies.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had.
I'm totally jazzed. I'm going to do an episode with the chef at Caleo Bay, and I can't imagine how a person cooks for 50 people, 50 plus people. So that's probably the first thing I want to know. How do you do that? So I have enough trouble cooking for 4. So I'm looking forward to being in this person's kitchen because I just love to cook. So gonna be awesome.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella.
Josue, I'm Scott.
Josue, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Josue. We caught up with Chef Josue in his kitchen so that he could show and tell. This is a working kitchen for 50 residents, 3 meals a day, 50 residents. So of course there's some background noise here. There's the refrigerator and the ice machine, and I want to make sure that we get every word that the chef has to say, so I'm going to throw up some captions here. Oh, also, watch for the many ways that Chef Josue uses his talents in the kitchen to really care for the people that he's cooking for. I mean, this is like way beyond just your regular chef cooking. This is a sense of like family caring. You know, when I cook for my family, it's not just does it taste good, you know, it's taking into account the nutrition of it and what they had the previous day and all of these many things that go into account when you're serving food, which is so important to people's lives. There's so many considerations, like even serving pasta. You know, do I serve penne? Do I serve short pasta, or do I serve long pasta? Well, you know, it's of course going to be easier for my dad to eat short pasta than long pasta, but you know, it's these sorts of considerations, just being considerate, that makes a huge difference for the person who's living with Alzheimer's. I'm thrilled because I love to cook. Really? I cook for my family of 4. I can't imagine how you cook with 50.
We're 50 at this point, yes.
What happens here on this griddle?
So a lot of things happens here. For instance, we cook our hot sandwiches here.
Tuna melt? Is tuna melt going here?
Tuna melts. It's a must in here.
Jose, wait a second. How does one cook 50 tuna melts?
Oh, it's a piece of cake. We had just it all comes down to its prep. We have our loaf of bread. We have the butter, both sides. We'll put them all across the whole flat griddle. And the next thing you know, you start assembling. Cheese.
Wow.
Tuna.
Cheeseburger. 2 Pepsi, 1 chip. Got to go. 4 cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
With our food program, we need to make sure that we know what they like. That is key. We don't want to be serving something that we know that they're not going to be engaging to. So we try to learn as much as we can, and then we develop. Once our resident moves in here with us, we can review their life story. We can know their likes and dislikes in food, in general with activities or anything like that, but my focus is food. I want to make sure that when they come into the dining room, they're well nourished, that I know that what we're serving, that's something that they're going to engage in. That's our primary goal. If something doesn't work, it is my duty to go talk to the resident and just get comfortable with the resident and let them know what type of food they like to see. And then I start creating menus, and that's a really neat way for us to apply a meaningful moment, just so they know that we're here for them, which is our goal.
Caleo Bay calls this deep sense of caring meaningful moments. And I have seen this heartfelt caring from everybody that I've had the pleasure to talk with there.
Almost finger food for them, you know, pretty much a snack.
So you like pizza?
Oh, I love pizza.
You like chocolate chip cookies?
Love chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate cake?
I love chocolate cake.
Ice cream?
I love certain ice creams, yeah.
Or you like the sweets?
Yeah, I like sweet things.
Coffee?
Coffee, I like.
What else do you like? We're up to four sugar cubes in a cup of coffee now.
Yeah, and I've always noticed, I mean, I've been in the industry for a decade already, and it really doesn't change very much, and everybody really looks for the sweets first. Yeah, so our goal is to make sure that they eat well. The nutrition should be there for them 100%. My heart goes out to all the caregivers, just in general, anybody contributing to senior living. My thank yous to you guys.
Oh, good.
See how it is. Oops.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's more.
Alright. Good?
Good.
Like that one?
The world seems to shine
Good.
like you've had too
All right.
much wine, that's more.